What's up, everybody? Welcome to my kitchen. Yes, we are doing fried pork chops. I gave you smothered pork chops. Ex-kids, they wanted for dinner, they wanted fried pork chops. So guess what? We're doing a quick video on fried pork chops. Of course, I did do sides. I made my homemade biscuits. I'm going to put the link to that below so you guys can figure out. You can't figure it out, but you know, make you some biscuits, okay? And I have my seasoning, some pepper, some seasoned salt, some parsley flakes, some garlic powder, and I'm gonna move all this to the side because I already use it. You're gonna need some veggie oil, about a cup and a half, depending on how deep your pan is, and you're gonna need some pork chops. Even though I season my flour, I still like to just season my chops, guys. So these are some thick cut pork chops, okay? A little bit. I got my grease on, so I want it to be nice and hot. Quick video, because this is what the kids wanted to eat. Can't go without my parsley plate. Yes. I'm going to flip them over, rub it in, flip it over. Ooh. Yeah, they were wet, because I cleaned them and rinsed them. It is okay. If you have some paper towels, do what you do in your home. Pat dry them. I ain't pat dry these. I was like, you know what? Let me make this quick video spontaneous.
Nah, them being wet like this, the flour will stick up.
Yeah, so I'm just going to go in with my flour. Take one in with my flour. Guys, again, I season that flour. You got to season your flour and season your meat. And so I also did some mixed veggies, some peas and corn, some garlic mashed potatoes along with the biscuits. And we having pork chops tonight on this fine Wednesday night. Oh my God, I gotta look at Empire. There you go in there.
Can two fit?
I don't know, my grease wasn't hot enough. I turned the stove down because my grease was hot. That's what you do when a girl rushing. I hope two can fit in here.
Fat girl shops, fat girl rush.
Fat girl shop, fat girl rush. Make sure that grease is hot, y'all. You want that grease sizzling. I thought it was hot because by this being an iron skillet, see here it comes. It was getting overly hot, so I turned it down so I didn't want my grease to block. So I guess I turned it down too low, but that's okay. We still gonna get them in. These are big chops. I'm gonna get two in there at a time. And I got about maybe 6 or 7 to cook. Yeah, go ahead. I know somebody's gonna say it. Her grease not even hot. I just told y'all I turned the stove down by accident. But it's all good. They're gonna cook, they're gonna fry. And when it's time to turn them over, I'll be right back. Guys, look at my pork chops. I'll flip them. Yes. That grease hot, y'all. That grease hot. These two almost done. Just a short video. Told you guys it's gonna be a short video. I made garlic mashed potatoes, peas and corn, and back to the pork chops. Just watch my fry this real good, right? Quick video. Season your pork chops the way you like season them. Pat dry them if you want them pat dry. And like your parents always say, do what I say, not what I do. So I didn't pat dry my pork chops. Pat dry your pork chops. I didn't let my grease get hot. Well, I did, and I turned it down, and then I thought it was still hot. Make sure you got a nice hot grease. So yeah. These pork chops almost done. And when we come back, we're going to plate these babies. Look at these babies. Look at these babies. Yes, guys. Remember, if you can't get me here, you will get me on Roku TV. Okay, guys. Ooh. I'm turning my stove on. Because my chops are not. These are huge. Mama, mama. Lord, look at that baby.
That was good.
You can put one of these in this household. One. Five. The grease drop. So, look at that pork chop, y'all. So guys, again, I said this is a short video. This is a complete meal. And I'm just going to throw a biscuit right there on the side for somebody. And I am finished. Guys, it's pork chops, okay? It's your best seasoning. Your flour. Season the way you want to season it. Cook it for your family. Now, I done gave you, again, stuffed pork chops with pears. Smothered pork chops. Now you got fried pork chops. This is what they're enjoying tonight in the home with your best side dishes, your breast bread, guys. I don't know what else to say, but until the next video. I hope you guys like this video. Happy holidays! Grandma made the chillings.
But they gonna put this stuff on here. I don't like.
Yeah, the hot sauce.
Oh, she gonna waste my chillings. They're not gonna eat it. She put hot sauce on.
There you go, guys.
I don't like hot food.
And guys, until next time, thank you.